Hi, for those of you that are brand new to Seesaw and you are going to be setting this up to use with your students, when you first go to Google and you type in Seesaw, you're going to see those options. Just click on that first option of Seesaw and you're going to choose to log in. You're not going to sign up, okay? So just choose the option to log in. You're going to choose this option here that says, I'm a teacher. From here, you do not have to put in any information in these top boxes. Just click to sign in using your Google information. So when you select that, then you're going to verify your account, and then it's going to open up Seesaw. So I already have some Seesaw classes, but for those of you that don't, you're going to see this. This is what's going to come up on your screen, and you are going to name your class with your teacher name so that they know who it is. So Mrs. Baldwin, and you might want to put your grade level, and you might want to put the year. That's totally up to you. Down here at the bottom, you will choose your grade level, and then you're going to select this green check mark. That's how Seesaw let Seesaw know that you're ready for the next step. So now here's your class, okay? And obviously you don't have any students in there yet. So we want our students who have never used Seesaw, and even if you've never used Seesaw, to also use their Google logins. So here you're going to click on this bottom feature down here that says students, okay? And you're going to be asked some questions and you're going to answer those. So this first question, we want to say yes, okay? We do want them to use their Google account and information. So from here is a code that you can give your students, send to your parents so that they can access Seesaw at home. This code, I want you to realize, is only going to stay active for 7 days. So if you don't have students who join within 7 days, you will need to send a new code for them. Now, once they join and they have that code in, then you will see students join in. But what we want to make sure of before we go any further is we want to click right here on this wrench, and we want to look at our settings here. So there's lots of different features here, and you don't have to worry about any of that. But what we want to do is right here, we want to make sure that students cannot see each other's work. So we want to toggle this off. We want to confirm that change. This is to ensure the privacy of our students and their work that is being sent home. Now, I want to leave all these other things on, okay? If you've never used Seesaw, it's going to require approval by you before it's put into their journal. This one is going to enable item editing, and you want to leave this sample student on so maybe you can model in that student's sample. Also, if you want to communicate with your parents through this tool, if this is what you're using for your class during this time, this is an incredible feature. So I would want to enable the family access. And if you want to do that, then here is how to invite your parents. Obviously, we don't have any students yet, so you have to wait until there are students in your class to do that. But it will create a specific letter for each individual student, and you can email that to them so that they can, you can communicate and send announcements and things like that through the Seesaw app. And then this also is for the family feature of liking and commenting and sharing. So once you have those things, the most important one, again, is we want to make sure that we turn this feature off, that students cannot see each other's work. You have to click on the wrench to do that. So I'm going to click on the X now to log out of that. I'm going to send that code home to my parents, and then my students will join here. And you'll see that list. And that's how to add your students using the Google feature.